Fungi come in lots of different shapes and sizes. Some are microscopic, while others can be up to 4 kilometres wide. While we know lots about certain types of fungi, there's still many species that we haven't recorded yet. Hi, I'm Pam.
And hi, I'm David, and as mycologists here in South Australia, we are attempting to collect and identify as many new species of Australian fungi as we can. Fungi are living organisms which are classified in their own kingdom. That means they're not considered to be plants, animals, or even bacteria. They can be found on land, in water, and even inside plants and animals. There are about 15,000 species of the larger fungi in Australia.
But only about 10% have been described so far, and that's why we're joining with other mycologists throughout Australia to try to track down more species. But locating fungi can be a challenging task. We have to look during the right conditions, like when it's not too wet or too dry, and in spots where there is a suitable food source, like leaf litter. When we locate fungi, we photograph them and record their location with the help of a GPS. We also take note of the soil type, the type of vegetation, and whether it's growing on soil or wood. So if we don't recognise a fungus or think we've found a new species, then we have to take it back to the lab for identification. In the lab, we describe the specimen in detail and rephotograph them to record the colours, shapes and characteristics that will be lost when they're dried. From there, we dry them out using a food dryer and store them in the State Herbarium of South Australia. If we have a mushroom-like fungus, we will put a cap down on a piece of white paper and we will get a spore print. The spore print shows the spores which have dropped onto the paper. So this shows us the spore colour, which is a useful tool for identification.
Our research doesn't end there. Our group is also looking closely at fungi that live inside plants, how we can develop new antibiotics from larger fungi, and we're also trying to find out more about how certain fungi have evolved. So far, we have identified about 600 species, described 3 new ones, and have about 20 more yet to be published.
And because of our work, we're helping to find out more about these strange and wonderful organisms.